Hi Rita, how are you? I am fine. Why are you not coming to meeting and seeing you? I am waiting for you after a long time. I was very worried for you. So I called you and invited to you for lunch in my house. Okay, I shall go to your house for lunch on today because I was trying to meeting you for a long time, but I have not managed time because I have recently joined in my new office and it was the far distance to my living. Why are you leave from the old office? It was the pressures and the working is very hard, so I was not interested. Okay, fine. I am waiting for you. Others conversations. Hi Reba, how are you? I am not well. I am sick. I understand to see you that you are very sick and I have very bad to see you. I suggest to you for visiting doctors. Yes, it is the right suggestions. You have an appointment for visiting doctors and you should be recover your disease as soon as possible. Yes, write your decisions and suggestions. I shall go to the doctors on today's night. Okay. Others conversations. Hi mom, can I help to you? Yes, you can to help me. But at first you should be finishing your homework. Yes, but I also finishing to my all homework. So now can I help to you? Yes, but what would be my working? Please you clean the table. And then what would be my working? You organize the bookshelf. Yes. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. How are you baby? I am fine. When will you coming to here for meeting with me? I am very worried for you. I am very upset to seeing you because I have not seen for a long time and I have a mind that there is very empty in my living without your. Okay mom, I am also trying to meeting you in during the summer vacations. Okay, I am waiting. All things is right in my house. Okay. Hi sir, can I help to you? Yes, you can to help me, but why are you interested to help me? I want to help you because I have very bad to you are very precious to the workings. So as a human I want to help you and relax to you. Okay, thank you. You can to help me. Hi, sir, can you help to me? I face a problems. Okay, I want to an interest to I want to an interest to help you, but why have you need any help? I have need a help because I have not founding to the post office and I was founding for the long times. Okay, please go straight and left turn and then you found a red buildings post office. Okay, thank you very much. Hi Reba, my birthday has been coming. After 2 days, I have arranged a birthday party. I want to have a fun, so I called the dear and near friends and relatives. So I want an interest to call you and invite to you. With your all family, please participate in my birthday occasions. I want to fun with you. Okay, of course, I shall go to your birthday occasion and I am interested to fun a lot with you. Okay. Through the columns of your stem daily, I try to ventilate my protest against unemployment is the great resident that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Drag addiction is the great resident that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Drag addiction is the social force, so we are suffering the generations of pupils and the young generations are suffering and faced to the death. It is the bad results effects in our society. So we should be a steps for about it. And it should be to stop. Hi madam, why are you called to me? I called to you to know that your son is very weak. What is the subject? He is weak on mathematics and his exams was not good. So please take care and pay attention to his studying. Yes, I am trying to special care for his studying. Okay, thank you. Hi, Rohim, please open your book and take carefully listening my instruction and pay attention to these subjects. I am understand to and explain to it. Yes, I have been listening about it to your instructions. Hi, Rina, why are you absent-minded and not to listening to the studying? Sir, I have been listening, but I am feeling very sick, so I want to the leave before the time of leaving. What is your problems? Are you suffering? I am suffering for the stomach pain, so I am very feelings to the sick, so I want to the living. Please grant my request. Yes. Hi doctors, I am suffering for the long times. What is the problems? Are you suffering? I am suffering for the fever and headache. Huh?
কফি কিচেনের কফি ওই ইয়ে করছে কফি কিচেনের কফি ওই লোক খেলতে এসেছে
Have you any medicines? Yes, but no relief. So I come for relief from my heart disease. Okay, I am trying to remove your disease, so I want to check up and I shall to you the medicines.